Hello everyone, welcome to the video. So I'm making any videos after a very long time and I will try to create some videos regularly now onwards. We are going to see how to download the OBS software which I use to record the videos or to live stream the videos in YouTube. All right. So first thing first, I have bought a new laptop. That's why this laptop is pretty empty. Empty. Only I have installed the Google Chrome, right? So before I start, let me show you my system configuration, and I believe this would be a very decent one to do my regular works and whatever type of works I do in my laptop. All right. So it's a AMD Ryzen 7 processor. It comes with AMD Ryzen 7 processor and it has 16 logical processor. Also, it contains 16 GB RAM and other details you can see here, like the BIOS version and all. So why I am showing you this? If you going to buy any laptop or so, so what you can do, let me show you from the beginning. You can search here if you got any demo system over here. So you can go here and you can type SYS. It will bring up the system information. So you can click here and you will see all the different details available for that particular one. Okay. So this is a very convenient way to check all the details of a system. All right. So let's go move ahead and let's download the softwares. So first thing, as I told you, I need to download the software to install. So I'm going to use OBS Studio, right? Just click right, type OBS and hit the search button. And the first link is that one on itself, OBS project. So basically, it's a free and open source software, broadcaster software. It is widely used also, and this comes with free and premium version. Free version is enough for us to, at least for me, to do the broadcasting and to do recording, screen recording. All right, so OBS Studio comes with all these three segment: Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. My system is Windows, so I will go ahead and download the Windows. Based on your system, you can go to that particular version. Okay, so the download will start soon. Yeah, it started. Okay, within a couple of seconds, the download will be completed and it's done. All right, so either I can do it from here or I can go to the download option. Okay, so I will click here itself to open the installer. Okay, it taking, yeah, so it's come out. So just click on yes, follow the steps here to install it. I'm installing the current 30.2.3 version. Okay, click on next. This is the license page and we will just scroll down and we'll click on next. And here you can, if you want to you know select some other location, you can do it here. And I want to do it in the default location within the program files, so I will keep it like this. This will consume 693.2 MB. This is a little nice information, good to know. Okay, the installation completed. So if okay, let me launch it as well. Okay, I click on finish, I can launch it as well. Okay, it is coming up for the first time. Meanwhile, you might be wondering without OBS how I am recording a screen. Okay, I will tell you that as well. So here it will ask what I want to do, whether I want to optimize it for streaming or I want to optimize it for the recording. Okay, if you are not doing, I'm not doing any streaming or recording as of now, so I can do what I can just cancel it. I just want to show you the interface. All right, once you install here, you can add multiple scene and each scene can contain multiple resources. Okay, so this is the scene one. We can rename it as scene one. Okay, let's S1. I want to keep it short. And then we can add another one and yeah, name 2 is already came. So let's go it as 2. Okay, now if I go as 1, okay, here we can have multiple resources. Let's add one. First thing, window capture. I can capture the existing window. Okay, you can see the same window captured, and we have the Chrome window, and here you can see this is automatic, and whole window it will capture. Okay, and I mean a particular window it will capture, and if you want to capture the display, you can go here in the display capture, and you can capture the whole display. So earlier I'm capturing only a window. If you are displaying any particular PPT, or you are doing some coding only, then you can display only that particular window. But if you are switching to different, I mean switching between different applications, then better to go with the display capture. Likewise for scene 2 also, you can go ahead and add a couple of them. All right, so this is only the installation video. In upcoming videos I will try to cover how to use the OBS as well. Okay. Yes, and I was telling you that you might be wondering, if I'm installing the OBS, then how I'm doing this screen recording. For that, as of now, I'm using a Microsoft Clip Champ application. This is also useful. Not only screen recording, it we can use it to do the editing. We can do editing of videos as well using this Clip Champ. So I'm not going to do any very fancy kind of video editing, or I don't require that kind of feature in my videos. So that is okay. Only I will remove the unnecessary part, so cut, and if I can slice the videos into different segments, that is enough for me actually. All right then, please do subscribe to the channel. I'm going to add lots of different educational purpose video. I have a plan, but it would be very early to reveal those kind of plan. Thank you for watching the video.